Hello guys, this is Web3 Boy and welcome to the channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for further updates and please watch the video till end. Today we'll be talking about Polkastarter Whitelist IDO whitelist and I've been whitelisted in this current project that is Artmeta. So it's only 2 minutes and 58 seconds left. So what I would suggest you all to please open at least two tabs so that you can keep a track of if one tab gets failed you can just switch on to the second tab so that you can check it on the second tab. So after 2 minutes this application status will turn into join now, and this will turn green I guess, and it says the button says join now. So you have to join now, and then there will be 2 or 3 steps process I'll be showing you live. And please watch the video till end to see how it goes and whether you will be allotted or not. So just wait for it, and let me just show you how to get onto this page. So you have to connect your wallet. First go to polkastarter.com, and then after this page loads you have to connect your wallet, and then after connecting your wallet you can go to the dashboard. And from dashboard you have to select this Artmeta. I've been whitelisted in Artmeta, so you have to click on this Artmeta, and then this will just here it says your wallet is whitelisted and you can join the token sale. So you have to go to the bottom right here, and after going here you will see this application status, and then sale starts in only 1 minute and 23 seconds. So what I suggest, just open two tab to keep a track. If one tab does not executes properly, you could just switch on to the second tab and do it properly. So keep refreshing until uh, uh, 5 seconds I would say. So I'll keep refreshing it. I'll just keep on refreshing it, and then until it comes to 10 seconds. After 10 seconds I'll just stop it. And always make sure your wallet is connected. Do not do it without your wallet being connected. It will not show, actually it will not show if your wallet is not connected. It will not show that your application has been your wallet has been whitelisted. So you'll not be able to see this tab I guess. You'll be able to see this tab but not the other one where it says your wallet is whitelisted. So I'll currently just keep on refreshing it, and after 10 seconds I'll just show you. Okay guys, only 3 seconds. Now I'll refresh it. See, join sale is here. I'll just join sale from here, and also join sale from here. It says agree. I'll just click on this agree. Here also you can do agree. Let's see if it comes or not. Do not hurry right here. Once you click on the agree page, do not do anything. See, it says no need to refresh. So here it came. Also the token is showing. You just select max, and after selecting max you just click on join pool. So it will ask for confirmation from MetaMask, and you just have to confirm it. See here, I'm just confirming it. Now it is just showing here confirm. So my max allocation is $500. That comes to around 312 Matic. See, now it is showing congratulations, you have joined Artmeta successfully and reserved 1666 mart. So here you can go and see your allocations. So here it will show your allocations. I'll just cancel it. So it is showing 48. Should I just join pool? I'll just leave it. I'll just try. Let's see. No, I'll just cancel it. It is not feasible. Otherwise, my see, I'll reject it. I'll not do it. Okay, I'll just cancel this tab and then I'll open this tab. And right now the allocation, I guess allocation is not showing, but then later on they'll show the allocation. So I'll just go on Artmeta and I'll see. See, 60% has already been finished. See, 60% has already been finished. I'll just go on allocation. Let's see if it shows my allocations or not. But then it has already shown that my wallet has, you see here, Artmeta confirmed. So I've been allotted with total 1667 MART and contribution is 312.5 Matic, and this is the complete thing. So this is how you do, and if you go to your MetaMask wallet, it'll just it'll just show that my transaction has been completed. So you, this is the process how you should join the Polkastarter projects. And I will definitely suggest to try your luck with 250 Polkastar polls, and this will definitely pay you off very well. As you can see, the projects have done completely recent. The recent projects have done 6 times, 3 times, 5 times, 6 times, 4 times. This project Domi Online has done 11 times, so 23 times Unbound Finance. So the project has have given tremendously well returns over the period of time. So this is how you should go about Polka Starter whitelisting. And if you've been whitelisted and you have any problem, you can just watch this video and clear it out. So, and other things are given here. This is the token sale information. This is contract metrics, contract metrics information, and then this is vesting schedule information. So this is how they'll give. They'll just give 25 on March, and then June, July, and August. So this is how they'll distribute the tokens. And for now, this is it. If you have any problem, you can just ask the questions in comment section. And thank you very much. Thanks a lot. And now I'll be signing off. Uh, Thank you.